everyone, happy Saturday. Please ignore the sound of the hoovering that you can hear. They've decided to hoover. Rude.
Hey, what up, girl?
Today I feel like I need to get myself in the like up mood. I've literally just got out of bed and it's 11:30. Today I'm going to be doing an updated makeup video. I've just done my skincare. Tell you what, I've stopped washing my face in the morning. I saw a simple video of Salma Hayek on TikTok saying that the reason she looks like she does is because she doesn't wash her face in the morning. I took that and I run with it, right? So I do my skincare at night, let that sit overnight, let the oils in my face do what they need to do, and then in the morning I just put my moisturiser and my sun cream over the top, and then I'm left with luscious smooth skin. Anyway, I bought loads of new makeup the other day because it was on sale at Superdrug, and I just thought I would do this. And I put a thing on my story the other day saying ask me questions for a Q&A, and I've got a few. So we're not going to mess about, we're just going to jump straight in. First question is, what is my goal for 2023? I would say my main goal is this, like YouTube. Like, I've been doing this for a few months now, I'm not sure. I mean, I've had this channel for a while. By the way, I've just done my skin food, and then I'm dropping a bit of my L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear foundation. I put it on the back of my hand, and then I just mix it and like apply it to my face as if it was just a cream. Yeah, goal for 2023 is mainly just this YouTube. Like, this is what I've sort of always wanted to do. So I really want to, my main goal was like, I wanted to get to 500 subscribers by the end of this year. So if you guys could make that happen, that would be amazing. But that's my main sort of goal in my life, really. And just to like, just slow the day away, just be happy. I know that sounds really cliche, but that's the dream. This looks really orange at the moment, don't panic. I'm not, so I don't know what you would be. And this is so nice as well because that foundation's quite heavy coverage, I think. I think it's full coverage. But mixing in with the moisturiser just makes it so much easier to put on. Where is somewhere that I want to travel to? At the moment, this is such a weird one, but I've been watching Walking Dead and I really want to go to Georgia. Just like the farmland. That's the main place on the mind at the moment. Yeah, somewhere I want to travel to. Everywhere, really. I really want to move to Australia. They're like advertising it on the news that they need people to move there. And I want to go... Oh, that one on my lip. I want to go so bad. I feel like I would thrive in Australia. I say that about everywhere, so it doesn't really mean much. Main places at the moment, Australia, Portugal, I really want to go to. The Azores in Portugal specifically. Anywhere, really. I would take a holiday anywhere. Have I hit any New Year's resolutions yet? So interesting that you asked me that. Although, you are currently sitting on my notebook, which has all of my New Year's resolutions. I don't know if I've spoken to you about this before, but I didn't do New Year's resolutions. I did New Year bingo. Gluing my eyebrows down now, so I just need this mirror. I did New Year's bingo. One of the things on my bingo was get new glasses. I've done that because I've had those glasses that I've had literally since I was 13, and they are busted, dusted and crusted. I've sat on them a few times. They weren't doing what they needed to do. So I got new glasses, that was one thing that I've done. One thing was get a pay rise, I did that. Other things on there is just like subscriber count. I want to travel to 3 new countries this year, or 3 new places. My go-to skincare and bum workout routine. Oh, all right. This one I can go into more detail on if you want, because I was planning on doing like a skincare. To be fair, stuff like that is better to go over to my TikTok for, and my Instagram reels. I love putting little bits on there that maybe doesn't warrant like a full YouTube video. But go-to skincare, I love my La Roche-Posay. I'll take my makeup off at the end of the day. I will cleanse my face and then I'll tone. Then I'll use either just like a normal moisturiser or like a treatment cream, depending on how I'm feeling. And then I'll do my eyelash serum, my oil and my eyelashes. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. But yeah, I can go into that in more detail on my TikTok. So go over there. Go look at my reels on my Instagram. And bum workout routine. My PT session that I had the other day was so good. It was basically RDLs, goblet squats, hip thrusts. I like the Stairmaster. I don't really have like a go-to bum routine. But if you guys are interested in gym with me videos, let me know. I'll just have to not be a pussy and actually take my camera with me to the gym, but I don't think it's that deep. So let me know in the comments if you want that. I'm just making sure I don't have an orange line from where my forehead stops and my hairline begins. Next, spill the tea on the person who never gave you back your lip filler money. Oh my god. If you're new to this channel, and if you don't work with me, okay, let's pause for a second, let me tell you the story. Back when I got my lips done, not the second time, the first time I got my lips done, and I found this guy that I thought was really good, and it was pretty expensive. It was like £300 for a mil of lip filler, and then I got dissolving as well, so that was an extra 150, so £450, right? But I was like, yeah, it's gonna make me feel confident, like, whatever. And the long story short, literally like 8, 9 or 10 times my appointment was cancelled, it was postponed. I was supposed to have my lips done, dissolved and refilled before my mum's birthday, November the 6th last year. I hadn't even had them dissolved at that point. So there was that. And anyway, long story short, we had a bit of a row. I said, I'm not being funny, I don't want treatment from you anymore. Can I just get, because I'd had half a mil, and I just said, can I get the remaining 150 back? Like, I don't want the rest of the treatment from you. He was like, no. He said, no, I've got rent debt, sorry. Excuse me. So I took him to court, as I should. It says right here, you must pay the claimant, me, a total of £186. I'm getting my money back. I won my court case. Right, that is my liquid layer done on my face. Now I'm gonna use powder. I got this powder from Superdrug, I Heart Revolution. I wanted to get my Morphe one, the pink one, because it ran out, but I just got this one instead. They're pretty much exactly the same. And this one's got a little powder puff. A little powder puff. So I'm just gonna puff away. Next question. Any job in the world, what would you want? Anything to do with fashion. The main dream would be fashion stylist. I would take fashion journalist. I would take magazine editor, fashion photographer, fashion buyer. Literally anything would be my dream. Fashion designer, anything. I want to be just one of those girlies in like LA or wherever, New York, that's just like bouncing around and they've got cool clothes. That is what I want to be. I want to be going to fashion shows. One of my like lifelong dreams is to be invited to New York Fashion Week. And I feel like my fashion's not really slaying at the moment. Like, I've been on Depop all of last night and all of this morning, so I'm trying to get my fashion game up. And I feel like I've flopped. I feel like I'm flopping and I hate it. I feel like as I work in an office, I just wear office stuff. But I'm trying, I promise. Keep an eye out on my Instagram for fun outfits. If I could have any, what animal would I have as a pet? First thing that just came into my head was a tiger. I don't know why, but I just feel like if I could and it was like domesticated, how fun would that be to just have a pet tiger? That would be sick, and you could like take it for walks. Oh my god, that'd be iconic. Why does water taste so rancid? Like the morning after, it's so foul. Most adventurous thing I've done. I don't know. I've done like a few things. Nothing's been like crazy. Let me think, let me brainstorm for a sec. I've been like cliff jumping, like camels in the desert. I've ridden elephants, which you're not supposed to do. This was when I was younger. I didn't know any better. Like skiing was not amazing. I would do anything. I wouldn't say no to anything apart from bungee jumping. There's something about that. It doesn't sit right with me. I don't know, it just doesn't feel safe. If you said to me like, oh, free fall out of like an airplane with no parachute. Ew, I'm giving Debbie Ryan vibes. I'm giving big time Debbie Ryan vibes, never mind. But no, bungee jumping just doesn't feel like the one for me. But I would do anything else. Have I ever met or talked to anyone famous? Actually, yes, funny story. I was at this like festival a few years ago when I was younger, and none other than Mr. Stephen Bear, who's been on the news quite a lot recently, was there with his then girlfriend. And the girl that I was with at the time was like obsessed with X on the Beach or whatever it was. And she like made us go and talk to him, and we went on this fairground ride with him, and he was like holding our hands, and I didn't know who he was. I was like, oh my god, this is fun. And he sneezed on my hand. Like, he was holding my hand like this, and he went that's about it. I saw when I was, because I worked at Wimbledon last year, and I saw on Sophia Tuxford's Instagram story that she was there, so I literally left my station and went and found her. I didn't talk to her, I just walked past her and like tried to smile at her, but she wasn't looking at me. That's so pathetic. Oh my god, embarrassing. What other questions can we do? I just rapid fired through them and now I don't have any more questions. Oops. I'm going blonde soon, so that's something fun. Tune in next Wednesday for my blonde video. I'm so excited. I used to be a blonde girly and I'm going back to my roots, literally. What else have we got coming up? Daisy's birthday. I need to get her prezi today. She's turning the big 20 bestie birthday, so I'm gonna be vlogging that. Keep your eyes out for that. Again, I know I literally ask this all the time and no one ever comments, so you can laugh at me all you want, but comment down below what kind of videos you want to see. And if anyone gets to this far in the video, love you the most. But I don't know, I just feel like I'm struggling with like my YouTube vibes, my vibes on YouTube, my presence. Pardon me. I just feel like I'm really uninspired. Like, I want to make my videos look good and like be popular videos, but then I think when I'm trying so hard to do a popular video, I have no personality. Like, Daisy came up to me, she was like, you're like really funny in real life, but you're not in your videos. So I've tried to be more like comfortable and relaxed in my videos, and I don't feel like I am being. I don't feel like you guys are seeing the real me. But say la vie, I'm trying my best, guys. Now I'm doing my brows again. Revolution. This is like a pomade in the shade Milk Chocolate, and it's like a little like honey pot, like Winnie the Pooh. I'm gonna go clean up and do my hair off camera and get dressed, and I'll come back and show you the final result. This is the finished makeup look. So I went for like a really pink cheek, just like simple fan and brush, good fan and brush and bun. I feel like my eyebrows are a bit big, but there we go. And I wish my eyelashes were longer, but c'est la vie, we can't always have everything. Thanks again for watching. I know none of you are still here watching this bit. God, I'm feeling sorry for myself this morning. Bit depressing, sorry about that, guys. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you have made it this far, love you the most. Watch out for vlogs, blonde, all sorts of things are on their way to you. Okay, keep an eye out.